Transform your kitchen with the Homcom kettle and toaster set. This stylish pebble design duo features a 1.7-litre rapid boil kettle with safety features like automatic shutoff and a 4-slice toaster with 7 browning levels, defrost, reheat, and easy-to-clean crumb tray. Perfect for morning bliss and entertaining guests. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Upgrade your kitchen with the Salter Retro kettle and toaster set. The 1.7-litre kettle boils water in minutes with a powerful 3,000-watt motor, while the 4-slice wide slot toaster evenly toasts thick bread, waffles, or bagels. Featuring retro cream-style, safety features, and easy-clean design, it's perfect for busy mornings. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Upgrade your kitchen with the stylish Daewoo Argyle set, featuring a 1.7-litre 3-kilowatt rapid boil kettle with a removable limescale filter and automatic shutoff, plus a sleek 2-slice toaster with a high-lift arm for safe, easy toast removal. Perfect for quick, mess-free mornings. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Upgrade your mornings with the Hamilton Beach Ella set, featuring a 1.7-litre kettle that can make up to 7 cups of tea or coffee, and a stylish 2-slice toaster with 7 browning levels. Sleek, modern, and compact, this durable set makes breakfast effortless and adds a chic touch to any kitchen. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a stylish and fast way to boost your mornings? The Salter Combo 9135 Toronto set has a powerful 3,000-watt rapid boil kettle with a 1.7-litre capacity and a limescale filter, plus a 4-slice wide slot toaster with a lift and look function for perfect toasting every time. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Upgrade your kitchen with the Salter Combo 8823 Merino set, featuring a 1.7-litre fast boil kettle with a limescale filter and a 4-slice anti-jamming toaster with 7 browning levels. Enjoy quick, safe, and perfectly toasted bread and hot drinks every time. Plus, stylishly coordinate your countertop. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Start your mornings with the Salter Pebble kettle and 4-slice toaster set. The 1.7-litre kettle boils water super fast with 3,000 watts and features a removable limescale filter, while the wide slot toaster offers 6 browning levels and easy crumb removal. Stylish and practical, this set is perfect for any kitchen. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.